The next electrophile we're going to look at is our carbocations. And so this is called the Friedel-Crafts alkylation. Friedel and Crafts worked together 19th, early 20th century, I guess, on this reaction. They had no idea, what the structures were, but they were just playing with molecules. That's how we used to do chemistry. The analysis was extremely tedious, but they figured this stuff out. And so a Friedel-Crafts alkylation is going to involve a carbocation. All right, so here's the thing. You guys know how to make carbocations. You've seen tons of carbocations in your semester plus of organic chemistry. So here I'm showing protonation of an alcohol, like you do an acid-catalyzed dehydration. But it could be protonation of an alkene. Any of the reactions that make a carbocation are possible here. So we start with T-butanol. It's going to be protonated by sulfuric acid. That makes water a good leaving group. Now you have your carbocation. And now benzene can attack that. Remember, benzene's a nice stable molecule. Okay, so it can't just displace an OH. It's not that good a nucleophile. It's not going to come in here and do an SN1. Certainly on a tertiary center, even if you had water there, it's going to only react with a carbocation. Okay, so we get there. Again, the electrophile comes in, you wind up with a carbocation, you need to pull a proton off. Water came off here, so we have water that can be the base. And there you go. You put a T-butyl group, you put an alkyl group onto a benzene. Doesn't have to be a tertiary carbocation, it can be secondary. Could be primary, but remember, carbocations are going to rearrange, and so any carbocation that can rearrange is probably going to rearrange here. You can make the carbocation using, let's see, what are the other ways? We could do this same reaction with an alkene and sulfuric acid, right? So we protonate the alkene. We could use T-butyl chloride and aluminum chloride. The aluminum chloride, this sort of goes like this goes like the electrophilic halogenation I did in the first one of these chapter 18 videos. Any way you can make a carbocation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation will go for it.